Good morning, everyone, and good morning, Leo. Are you ready for another English conversation?
Good morning, Anna. I think so, but I haven't had my breakfast yet.
Oh, no! Then this lesson is perfect for you. Today, we're going to talk about breakfast, what you eat, what you drink, and how to describe your morning habits in English.
Great! Maybe I'll get hungry while we practice.
That's part of the plan. Okay, repeat after me. I usually have breakfast at 7 o'clock.
I usually have breakfast at 7 o'clock.
Excellent! That's a simple sentence to talk about your daily routine. You can also say, I eat breakfast at 7, or I have breakfast early in the morning.
Got it. I have breakfast early in the morning.
Perfect. Now let's learn some breakfast vocabulary. Repeat after me. Bread,
Bread,
butter,
butter,
jam,
jam,
eggs,
eggs,
cereal,
cereal,
yogurt,
yogurt,
fruit.
fruit.
Great. Now let's use them in full sentences. Repeat. I eat bread and butter for breakfast.
I eat bread and butter for breakfast.
I like eggs and toast.
I like eggs and toast.
Sometimes I have fruit and yogurt.
Sometimes I have fruit and yogurt.
Excellent. Those are natural and simple sentences you can use every day.
So, Anna, what do you eat for breakfast?
I usually have coffee, fruit, and sometimes scrambled eggs. What about you?
I usually have coffee too, and maybe some bread with cheese.
Sounds good. Now, let's add more details. That's how your English sounds more fluent and interesting. Repeat, I usually have coffee and toast at home.
I usually have coffee and toast at home.
I eat breakfast quickly before work.
I eat breakfast quickly before work.
On weekends, I eat breakfast with my family.
On weekends, I eat breakfast with my family.
Great. Those little details, like at home, before work, on weekends, make your sentences sound more natural.
Oh, I see. So instead of just I eat breakfast, I can say I eat breakfast at home before work.
Exactly. That's full sentence English, the kind that makes you sound confident and fluent. Now let's talk about drinks. Repeat after me. Coffee,
Coffee,
tea,
tea,
juice,
juice,
milk,
milk,
smoothie.
smoothie.
Great. Now let's use them in sentences. Repeat. I drink coffee every morning.
I drink coffee every morning.
Sometimes I have orange juice.
Sometimes I have orange juice.
I don't drink tea.
I don't drink tea.
I like cold milk with cereal.
I like cold milk with cereal.
Perfect pronunciation, Leo.
Thank you. Can I say, I always drink coffee before leaving home?
Yes, that's a great example. Repeat it for practice.
I always drink coffee before leaving home.
Nice job. That's a full, natural English sentence. Let's expand your morning vocabulary. Repeat after me. Wake up.
Wake up.
Get up.
Get up.
Brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth.
Take a shower.
Take a shower.
Get dressed.
Get dressed.
Make breakfast.
Make breakfast.
Eat breakfast.
Eat breakfast.
Go to work.
Go to work.
Perfect. These are your daily actions.
I like this list. I already feel like my English morning is complete.
Almost. We still need to talk about breakfast habits, like what you do every day or sometimes. Repeat after me. Always.
Always.
Usually.
Usually.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Rarely.
Rarely.
Never.
Never.
Now, use them with have breakfast. I always have breakfast.
I always have breakfast.
I usually have breakfast.
I usually have breakfast.
I sometimes skip breakfast.
I sometimes skip breakfast.
I never eat breakfast.
I never eat breakfast.
Excellent. You sound natural. Do you usually eat breakfast, Leo?
I do. I usually have coffee and toast, but sometimes I skip breakfast when I'm late.
That's a perfect answer. Simple, clear, and correct. Excellent work so far. We've talked about what you eat, what you drink, and how often you eat breakfast.
I'm starting to feel really hungry now.
Perfect timing, because in the next part, we'll go deeper. You'll learn how to describe different types of breakfasts around the world, how to say what you like and don't like, and how to ask and answer questions about food habits.
Sounds delicious.
So, Leo, you told me you usually eat bread, eggs, and drink coffee. But tell me, do you always have breakfast at home or sometimes outside?
Usually at home because it's cheaper and faster, but sometimes on weekends I go to a bakery or a cafe.
Nice. And what do you order when you go to a cafe?
Hmm, usually a croissant with ham and cheese and a cappuccino.
Delicious. That sounds like a very European style breakfast.
Yeah, I like it because it feels relaxing. I don't rush like on weekdays.
That's true. During the week, most people just eat something quick before work or school. Do you ever skip breakfast?
Sometimes when I wake up late or when I'm not hungry.
Oh, really? Many people skip breakfast, but it's considered the most important meal of the day.
Yeah, I know, but sometimes I just drink coffee and eat nothing.
Coffee only? That's not enough energy for the morning.
I know, but it keeps me awake.
True. Coffee is powerful, but let's practice some useful breakfast vocabulary, shall we?
Sure, let's do it.
Okay. Repeat after me. Toast,
Toast,
butter,
butter,
jam.
jam.
Good. Now, what do you usually put on your toast?
Usually butter, sometimes jam, or peanut butter.
Oh, peanut butter. Do you like it?
Yes, but I don't eat it every day. It's very heavy.
True. And what kind of bread do you usually eat? White bread, brown bread, or whole wheat?
Whole wheat bread. I'm trying to eat healthier.
That's great. Whole wheat bread has more fiber and nutrients.
Yeah, and it makes me feel full longer.
Excellent point. Now, let's talk about drinks. Besides coffee, do you drink juice or milk in the morning?
Sometimes. Orange juice, especially in the summer.
Orange juice, fresh and full of vitamin C.
Exactly. But in winter, I prefer something hot, like tea or chocolate milk.
I love hot chocolate in winter too. It's cozy.
Yeah, perfect for cold mornings.
So, Leo, what's your favorite breakfast food ever?
Pancakes with honey or maple syrup.
Oh, that's a classic. Pancakes are so good.
I know, but they take time to prepare, so I only make them on weekends.
Fair enough. You can make a special breakfast on weekends. It's like a treat.
Exactly. It's my little reward for surviving the week.
I love that. Now, let's imagine a little role play. You go to a cafe and order breakfast in English. Are you ready?
Okay, let's try.
Great. I'll be the waitress and you're the customer.
Perfect.
Good morning. What would you like to order?
Good morning. I'd like a croissant and a cappuccino, please.
Sure. Anything else?
Yes. Could I also have some orange juice?
Of course. Would you like your croissant toasted?
Yes, please.
All right, that'll be $5.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you.
Excellent, Leo. That was perfect.
Thanks, Anna. I think I'm ready to go to a cafe now.
Good. Just remember to smile and speak clearly. It helps a lot.
I'll remember that.
Great. Now, let's go over some expressions from our little dialogue.
Okay.
Okay, what would you like to order? That's a polite way to ask what someone wants in a restaurant or cafe.
Got it?
And I'd like. This is how you ask politely. For example, I'd like a cup of coffee or I'd like 2 slices of toast.
So it's better than just saying I want?
Exactly. I'd like sounds more polite and natural in English.
I see. I'll try to use that more.
Perfect.
Can I also say, can I have?
Yes, that's also very common and polite. For example, can I have a sandwich, please?
Got it. So both I like and can I have are okay.
Yes, you can use both in daily conversations.
Great. That's easy to remember.
Awesome, you're doing great, Leo.
Thanks. Talking about breakfast makes me hungry, though.
Me too. Maybe we should eat something after this class.
Deal.
Okay, Leo, let's continue. You're doing great. Now let's talk about breakfast culture around the world.
That sounds interesting.
Yes, so in the United States, people often eat eggs, bacon, toast, and coffee, the classic American breakfast.
Right. I've seen that in movies. Big plates with scrambled eggs and bacon.
Exactly. And in the UK, they have something called the English breakfast. Do you know what's in it?
Eggs, bacon, maybe beans?
That's right. Eggs, bacon, sausage, baked beans, grilled tomatoes, and toast. Sometimes even mushrooms.
Wow, that's a heavy breakfast.
It is. Many people eat it only on weekends or holidays.
I think I'd need a nap after that breakfast.
Probably. Now, in Brazil, breakfast is usually lighter, right?
Yes, usually bread, butter, coffee with milk, and maybe some fruit.
I love Brazilian breakfast. Simple but delicious.
Yes, and it's easy to prepare before work.
Exactly. And in some Asian countries like Japan or Korea, breakfast can be very different.
Really? How so?
In Japan, for example, people might eat rice, soup, grilled fish, and vegetables, even in the morning.
Wow, that's like a lunch for me.
Yes, but for them, it's completely normal. Every culture has its own habits.
That's so cool. Food really shows how people live.
You're right, Leo. Food reflects culture, routine, and even climate.
Yeah, like cold countries prefer warm breakfasts.
Exactly. Now, let's move to some pronunciation practice.
Okay.
Repeat after me. I usually eat breakfast at home.
I usually eat breakfast at home.
Good. Now slowly. I usually eat breakfast at home.
I usually eat breakfast at home.
Perfect. Now another one. I drink coffee every morning.
I drink coffee every morning.
Excellent. Now let's add some variety. How would you say, I don't eat breakfast every day?
I don't eat breakfast every day.
Great. Now say it with more rhythm, like a native speaker. I don't eat breakfast every day.
I don't eat breakfast every day.
Very nice. Your pronunciation is getting more natural.
Thanks, Anna. It's easier when we repeat and practice small sentences.
That's the secret. Repetition helps you sound fluent.
I can feel it working already.
Awesome. Now let's do a quick vocabulary review from today's conversation.
Okay, let's do it.
Toast,
Toast,
butter,
butter,
jam,
jam,
peanut butter,
peanut butter,
orange juice,
orange juice,
croissant,
croissant,
bacon,
bacon,
cappuccino,
cappuccino,
pancakes.
pancakes.
Excellent. You got them all right.
Yay!
Good job. Now, before we finish, let's practice one last mini dialogue to put everything together.
Sounds good.
Imagine you're meeting a friend and you're talking about breakfast. I'll be your friend.
Okay.
Hey, Leo, what did you have for breakfast today?
Hi, Anna. I had 2 slices of toast with butter and a cup of coffee.
Sounds good. Do you always eat the same thing?
Not always. Sometimes I eat eggs or fruit.
Healthy choice. I usually eat cereal with milk and some strawberries.
Oh, that's nice. I like cereal too, but not every day.
Why not?
Because sometimes I wake up late and just drink coffee.
That's very common.
Yeah, I'm not a morning person.
I understand, but breakfast gives you energy, so don't skip it too often.
I'll try.
Good. So, Leo, if you could eat any breakfast right now, what would it be?
Easy. Pancakes with honey, scrambled eggs, and a big cappuccino.
That sounds amazing.
Right?
Okay, I think it's time to end our podcast and go eat something for real.
Best idea ever.
Thank you all for listening. We hope you enjoyed this episode about breakfast and learned some new words.
Yeah. Don't forget to practice talking about your own breakfast in English.
That's right. You can say things like, I had coffee this morning, or I usually eat bread and fruit for breakfast.
The more you talk about your routine, the easier English becomes.
Exactly. So keep practicing every day. Even small sentences help a lot.
Thank you, Teacher Anna.
You're welcome, Leo. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.